everyone, myself Sunil Kumar, BMS third year student of Government Ayodhya Shiv Kumari Ayurvedic College and Hospital, Begusrai. Today we are going to describe Ayurveda in my college garden, which is guided by Dr. R.N. Sahni sir. So let's start. First of all, I would like to introduce very important medicinal plant, that is Arjuna. Scientific name of the plant is Terminalia Arjuna, which belong to the family Combritaceae. It is also known as guardian of the heart, which is highly potent, so also called Veer Brix. It is tall, evergreen, deciduous plant. Height of the plant is about 20 to 25 meter, and different part of the plant is used to cure disease. Especially stem bark is used to cure disease like Prameh, Hriday Rog, Rakshit, etc. Another important plant is Kalmeg. Scientific name of the plant is Andrographic paniculata, which belong to the family Acanthaceae. It is annual herbaceous plant. Height of the plant is about 30 to 110 centimeter. It's grow in moist and sandy places. Useful part of the plant is aerial part and roots that's used to cure disease like Jinjwar, chronic fever, jaundice, indigestion, skin disease, etc. Next important plant is Sarpagandha. It is believed that snakes keep away from the scent of vegetations of this plant. Scientific name of the plant is Rauvolfia serpentina, which belong to the family Apocynaceae. Its plant is small, erect, perennial, undershrub. Height of the plant is about 30 to 40 centimeter. Useful part of the plant is root. It is cure disease like mental disorder, insomnia, hypertension, etc. Plant is Chitrak. Scientific name of the plant is Plumbago chilenica, which is belong from the family Plumbaginaceae. It is perennial shrubs with green striated branch. Height of the plant is about 60 to 120 centimeter. Root of the plant is used for Vipan Pachan, so it can use for disease cure of the disease of Gudaro, piles, inflammation, abdominal pain, etc. In Ayurveda, another important plant is Ashwagandha. Root of the plant is smell like horse, so it is called Ashwagandha. Scientific name of the plant is Bidania somnifera. It belongs to the family Solanaceae. It is erect, evergreen shrubs. Height of the plant is about 32 to 150 centimeter. Its useful part is root, leaves and fruits. It's useful in the disease like Kshay Rog, Swas, insomnia, infertility, Bath Vyadhi, especially in neuromuscular disease. It is well known immunomodulator, antioxidant, rejuvenating drugs, aphrodisiac drugs, etc. Important plant is Guduchi. That's one who protects from the disease. Scientific name of the plant is Tinospora cordifolia, which belong to the family Maniaspermaceae. It is perennial, dioecious, climber, herbs. Useful part of the plant is stem, root and leaves that used to cure disease like Visamjwar, Jirnjwar, dengue fever, Bathrak, Prameh, acidity, etc. It is well known rasayan, that means it enhances body immune system.